Easter Bunny Leah, right?
I was about to say that.
Yeah, that's okay, but we still know. Bunny, 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 hoppity hop. And today we have two very giant, ginormous, and gigantic Easter baskets. They're very heavy. You know why? They would be light if they wouldn't have about like 10 eggs inside, but that's super cool. And I'm just telling you this, guys. It's gonna be a challenge, and I'll explain the rules right after. Say Happy Easter to all of you subscribers and all that stuff, especially all of you that watch our videos. And thank you for subscribing, liking, comment, and sharing. That's so kind of you guys. And once again, thank you for watching our videos. That's like so nice of you.
Guys, watch this.
Guess what, guys? We're gonna say a special hi to our friend from Pennsylvania. Her name is Catherine, and she loves our videos. She loves us, and we love you, Catherine. Yay! And we hope we brought a big smile to your face because we just love you and you love us, and it's just great.
If you want Easter ears, here we go. Ow.
I don't get you, Leah. Sometimes I really don't get you. But we're also going to say a special thank you to our friend Pinky Dreams for posting the video with the surprises that we sent to her. And we sent the surprises to her because she won Magic Box's Super Fan of the Month. Yeah, and she was awesome. We saw her video, we subscribed, liked, and yeah, we just really like her.
And she sent so many comments.
Yeah, like 100 each day, and that's so nice of you for spending all your time.
Like
to write
100
100 each day, and that's so nice of you. Thank you, Pinky Dreams. So let me explain the rules. The rules are we have the sleeping mask, which we can call a blindfold because we're not going to sleep in this video. It will be boring. We can sleep in it at night, yeah. And in each basket we have 10 eggs inside. We open it, we try to guess what's inside with the blindfold on, and whoever guesses right gets a point and has a step closer to getting the victory egg.
Yay!
Yeah. And guys, stay tuned for our magic box with our clue number 4 hidden inside for a spring giveaway.
4, 4, 4.
Yeah.
Let's see 4. Clue number 4.
Yeah. So Leo, go first since she's younger. Yeah, so she's 4 on 7, so 4 is before 7, so she's younger. So let's get started. Yay!
Yay! Remember Gabrielle and Elise was here?
Yeah, they were here for Christmas. We did make a video. So if you haven't checked that one out, you could. It was super fun.
Let's start!
Yeah! Woohoo!
I can't wait to see the surprises.
Yay. Okay, so put your blindfolds on and I'll pick an egg for you. Or you want to pick it yourself? Okay, so she's got the yellow one. So open it, try to guess what's inside. But don't peek, okay? That's cheating.
Maybe. Oh, this is a Shopkins egg.
Yeah, so I'm not going to tell you if you're right or wrong.
So let's do the camera.
Yes. And let me open this for you and you can just crack the apple. Okay. Here it is, Leah. I know, it's kind of hard. Leah, so can I see your toy? Okay, so this is what she's got. So she's gonna open this up. Do you need me to open it?
No.
Okay. I'll just open the other, okay? So it'll be.
I want to.
Okay, I'll just open it a little, not take it out. So it'll be faster. Okay. Okay, who do you think that is? The one that you got.
Jerry's place. I think it's a Cheeky Cherries.
Cheeky Cherries. Okay. Now get this other one out.
I think this is the cheeseburger.
Oh, bagel belly?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So it's okay to take your blindfold off now. So you did get a Shopkins egg, and you.
Oh my god!
Yeah, hand back Harriet in the new color. Yeah. So this is crispy lettuce.
Oh.
And hand back Harriet.
Oh,
So
my god.
I think you do. Yeah, you
Your
do get
turn.
1 point because you did guess the object. So yeah. So let's put you two down there. Get Oh, yeah, that's so closer to getting the feathery egg. Okay, so let me
I
take this
hope
out,
it gave me a
and there'll be a close-up of me opening all the stuff. It's my turn. Okay, okay. So I put my blindfolds on, and now it's time to pick an egg. So I got this one. Yeah, small one, I think. Oh my god, is this a Shopkins egg? Okay, I'm gonna go with a Shopkins egg. Oh, I have scissors. Sorry, I'm borrowing yours. What? No? Oh, okay, so I have the pink scissors. So
I hope you don't cut your hands.
yeah, just don't tell me what's inside. So I think it's a Shopkins egg. Okay, hold on, this is hard with blindfold. Hard. Okay, I think I got it now. Yeah, I'm fine. Well, yeah. Okay. Yay. Okay. Alright.
I think I got glue.
Don't tell me what's inside.
I think you got glue.
Don't tell me what's inside, Leah.
Okay.
Oh my god, this is gonna be hard. Oh, okay. What do you think? Okay, so by the feeling of it, it kind of, with all the stripes and the thing on the top, it kind of feels like Shy Pie Cherry Pie. Okay, where's my other? Oh, scissors.
I don't know what that sunken is too.
Oh my god. Okay. Oh gee, this is gonna be hard guessing. Oh no.
If you,
Hold on, my eyes are shut tight, and I'm guessing this is a woolly hat.
uh-oh, I think you win.
Okay, yay, so I guessed them right. Yeah, I swear I didn't peek. Yeah, so I was right. So you want to pick an egg yourself, right?
Yeah, I picked this. I think this is a socket. I'm just kidding.
Yes. Here you go. Okay. All right, Leah, so show it to everybody. Okay, open it. Could you put it up high so everybody can see? Yeah, because the basket is...
Huh. Oh, these are not sockets. Huh.
What do you think it is?
Some kind of candy. Huh. Can I put my blindfold on?
Yeah, you can.
Maybe.
M&M's! Yeah, so these... Yeah, we can taste them. So let me pick this egg right here. It feels big. So let me open that. Oh, what is this? Is this like a Sophia the First blind bag? I don't know. Let's see. Where's the tear strip on this? Oh. You guys know Sophia the First blind bag has tear strips. Okay. Where are my scissors? Where did I get
guess let's use mine.
Okay, thanks. Okay, so let me... Yeah, I really think this is Sophia. Okay. Okay, no, this is not Sophia. Okay, who can this be? So, is it kind of feels like Anna. It is Anna, and she's a figural caring. I was about to guess Elsa, but I was like, oh, the two braids. It's Anna. Yeah. So I was not looking.
My turn.
Yeah. So this is
Give me a mess.
has like a little tag.
Give me a
No,
mess.
we don't need that. So
Give me
you
the
can
mess.
change this on anything. It's kind of a little squishy and rubbery, but it's kind of nice. Okay. Okay. Pick an egg.
I picked this one.
Okay.
This-
It up.
This feels like a McStuffins blind bag.
So both of us have 1 point for now.
Can you give me my scissors?
Yes. I gotta keep my scissors next to me because I can't find them when I have blindfold on.
Huh. This is not the Doc McStuffins doesn't sell in this store. There's like keychains.
Yeah. So what character do you think it is?
I think Elsa.
Elsa? Okay. So you can take your blindfolds off now. Who? It's Sally.
From, I think, Monsters in the Night?
No.
Yeah.
Sally, right here.
Oh, the night before Christmas. The night before Christmas. Our lunchbox are your purse.
Oh my god. Okay, so I have no idea what this is. Okay. No, it's not a stuff because it doesn't have hair strap. I don't know what it is. It's, oh my god. Oh, I feel the card inside, so I'm guessing this is a My Little Pony. Okay, so, where's my scissors? Where did I put them? Oh, right here. So, I'm not peeking, so. Let's see. Oh my god. Okay, so, oh my god, I don't know the character. What do I do? Guess it wrong? Oh, probably. Okay, so I feel the wings. Hold on. Is this Rainbow Dash? How did I guess it right, guys? All I felt was the wings, and that's all. I was like, this has to be some kind of other pony than Rainbow Dash. But I was like, oh my god, now I'm right. But guys, I swear I'm not peeking. If I would, then my turn. I would know what to do. So this is Rainbow Dash. It says she helps her friends, and it says in other languages if you don't speak English. Yeah, so I can't believe I'm right. And look at all the sparkles in her hair. Okay, this is awesome.
My turn. My turn.
Yeah, okay. Next bag for you, Leah.
Huh. Something is in here. What is this? I think.
Okay, let me show it to the camera.
It's a sort of flying bag. Maybe this is a My Little Pony flying bag.
My Little Pony, okay. So, let me make you a little picture. So, you're going with My Little Pony, right?
Huh.
So, this is what she got, and try to guess it. If you guess it wrong, it will be okay.
Huh. This feels like the little pig.
The little pig from the My Little Pony? Or you're going with a different type of blind bag?
Actually, this feels like Palace Pets.
Okay. She's going with Palace Pets, and what type of character is it? What's the name?
I think like Sultan.
Sultan, okay. So, it's actually just put your blindfold down.
Don't tell me. Up or down?
Up. Oh, it's Niall.
Yes, I wanted to get this monkey all day.
Yeah, this one's cool. My turn. Okay. So, let me pick an egg. Oh, I think I want this one. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna open this. Wow, it feels like an egg inside. This is weird. Can you hand me the scissors? So, this egg. What should I guess? Hold on, by the sound of it, it kind of doesn't feel like, or doesn't sound like a toy's inside. It sounds like some kind of candy's inside. Yeah, I think so. Okay, so I'm guessing a candy egg. And I give your scissors. Okay, so I'm gonna open it. Well, when you open it, can I taste the candy? Yeah, okay, this definitely is candy. And, oh my gosh, so, this feels like hard candy because I opened hard candy before in other videos, so yeah, I know the feeling. Yeah, so I'm guessing this is hard candy. This is more hard candy. More hard candy. New candy. New candy. Oh, hold on. This feels like either jelly beans or lemon heads. Hold on, the jelly bean pack is way bigger than this, so I'm taking lemon heads. This, more lemon heads, yeah, I think so. Hold on, and this I think is the bonus toy, and, oh yeah, the candy bracelet. So I'm not taking, and, yay, I got it right. And I just missed over one thing, the stickers. Yeah, but otherwise I got it all right. You're correct. These are lemon heads. Yeah, so I'll just taste the lemon heads. I love them. Delicious. Whoa, this is so heavy. Oh my gosh, this is so heavy. Huh. Let me show it to the camera. Can you open it? Because I'll cut my hands from this. Yeah. So once I open it, just try to guess what type of egg it is. What type of toy it is. Here you go.
same candy. Let's see.
Oh,
Candy is inside, so it might be.
what kind of candy?
But I think.
Okay, so here's what she's feeling. So what type of candy is this? Could you get a little higher?
Yeah.
A bit more higher so everybody can see. Okay, what do you think that
Jelly bean.
Jelly. Okay. This. What do you think this is?
I think some kind of lollipop.
Okay. So this is the lollipop that she gets. And
Can I take my
not yet. What is this?
Some kind of paper.
Paper. Okay. So she's guessing this is paper. It kind of is, yes. So you can take your blindfold off.
I think.
So you got a point because you guessed all the right candy, and this is stickers. But you still get a point because the rest was okay. Oh, so here it is. Okay. So I'm guessing it's some kind of egg with, I don't know what's inside. Maybe once I open the egg, I'll know what's inside. Hold on. Is this okay. I don't think it has any tear strap, so, okay, hold on, it does. I'm just going with a McStuffins blind bag because it has a tear strap underneath everything, but hold on, I'm not quite sure. Is this oh, hold on. The McStuffins feels a bit bigger, so I'm guessing this is Pouch That's blind bag, and let me try to guess what's inside. That will be hard. They really don't know the names. Okay, hold on. Wait. Is this... Wait. Is this some type of bunny? Okay.
Oh, great.
Oh my god! Why did I call an owl a bunny? Hold on, is this even an owl?
Yeah.
Kind of looks some kind of bird or something. Fern. Oh my god, I can't believe I called this a bunny.
Like her.
Yeah, it's your turn. Wow, she's got a big one. Whoa, so let me see it so I can show everybody. Okay, here you go.
Wow, it feels like it's got McStuffins behind it.
Okay, so she's going with McStuffins. Okay, so open it up. What do you think that is? From the Dark McStuffins.
I think Bob.
Okay, so here's a toy. Okay,
Where's
so
the toy?
she thinks it's Bobby from the McStuffins. Here you go.
Can I take my flying bell down?
Yeah, because he guessed Bobby. So it wasn't a Dark McStuffins, it was a Sophia, and she got Sophia. How silly is that, Leah? Funny. Okay, my turn. Okay. I picked this egg. Okay. So, okay. This feels like some sort of egg. What is this? No. Feels like candy inside. So I'm gonna go with the candy egg again. Oh, okay. Oh, it's a big bag of like candy, I think. So I'm saying, this feels like hard candy. I'm going with candy egg and hard candy. Yay! I'm right.
My turn.
Yeah, so that's another point. Ow! Take an egg, get an egg. Okay, so she picked this one, the pink. Okay. Open it up. What is this? It really looks more. So, hold on. I'll just show it to the camera and you can keep feeling.
Is this some kind of something behind that?
You can go with it.
Okay, can I?
No, you gotta open it.
forgot.
Okay, I'm gonna open it. Okay, guys, so let me tell you one more thing. Once you're trying to guess it, you have only 10 seconds. Yeah, so just letting you know.
What?
So you're going with Sophia, right?
What is this?
So you went with the Sophia blind bag?
Can I?
No, you can't. You didn't guess the character yet. So there's a character. I want to see. Hold on. Just guess the character and you can.
I think it's
It's like James. James, okay? Yes. It's from Dr. McStuffins.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, you can call this Baby James, but her name is Baby C's. So yeah. Okay, I'm so excited. What egg did I get? Oh, this feels. Oh yeah, this is a sparkly one, but small. Okay, so let me open it up. Okay, I'll open it up. Hold on. Okay, I'm trying to feel the character inside it. This either can be a Dr. McStuffins or a Care Bear. Because I saw Care Bear blind bags before and they kind of feel like this. Or it could be a Dr. McStuffins. So by the character inside it, I'm going with Care Bear. So, let me open this up. Oh, this is Dr. McStuffins. And I got the same.
We're a twin baby.
So here is Baby C's. Yeah, so that's so weird.
That one.
Wow, I'm so excited.
Here's the egg.
Can I smell the egg? Yes.
Oh, this feels something like. This feels something.
Can I show it to the camera?
This feels something round. Huh. Looks. It feels like a Play-Doh can.
Play-Doh can.
Okay. Can you open it?
Yes, I can open it.
Make a little test it.
There we go.
Okay. Oh, it's not Play-Doh. Can I take out my blind?
No, you gotta guess the character. So let me just show it to the camera.
These feel like puppies.
Puppies.
And now? Whoa!
They are puppies.
Yeah.
Ew. From the Ugliest Pet Shop. Stop it, Leah. There you go.
Yum.
The other puppy. This one's gross. Okay.
You didn't say the names, Missy.
But that's okay. Okay, so I think I got another sparkly egg. Okay, hold on. What is this? Is this another figure of earrings? Because it kind of feels like... Yeah, I'm guessing another figure of earrings. Let me open it. Wait a second. This is a figure of earrings. Hold on here. Oh! Okay, so I'm changing. This is actually the My Little Pony blind bag because I feel ponies. Let me try to guess what character. Oh my god, this is gonna be hard. So, is there any horn on this one? No, no horn. Is this? Hold on. I think I'm. Is this Rainbow Dash? Because I feel like I got it with Rainbow Dash. How did I know it's Rainbow Dash? That looks so weird. Because it kind of felt like Princess Celestia, but I went with the main character, so I just picked Rainbow Dash. This is like so awesome. It kind of felt like Twilight, but when I felt the wings, I was like, oh no. This is like Princess Celestia with the wings or something.
My turn.
Yeah.
You're going to have an egg.
Okay.
Please don't.
Yes. Here it is. Here you go. What do you think it is?
Some kind of. It feels like a new blind bag.
There we go.
It feels like a My Little Pony blind bag. It feels like My Little Pony.
Okay. What do you think that is? Hold on. Let me show it to the camera. And let me see the card. Just feel up the character.
I think this is Fluttershy.
You think you're going with Fluttershy, right? Okay. You can take off your blindfold. Okay, so you get 1 point because you guessed the right blind bag, but not the right character, but the blind bag still counts, so you get 1 more point. Yeah, we're super close to getting that little egg. Okay, and the card says Rainbow Dash. She helps her friends.
Your turn.
Yay. Okay, I want to get this other glitter one. Hold on. Okay, I'm so going with Care Bears. So I'm going with Care Bears because I feel like a bear inside. I think it's a glitter edition. Okay, so let me try to guess the character, which is the worst part because I don't know. Oh my god. What do I do now? Do I just guess the wrong character, pick a random one? Okay, I'm going with... I even forgot all their names. Okay, Grumpy. Oh! Hold on, this is a pearlized edition? Hold on. Okay, so... This is cheer bear. And it's a pearlized edition, so I get 1 point. I guess the right blind bag. Okay. Okay, Leah, so this is your last deck.
Just yeah, you showed it to the camera already. This feels like some kind of Ugly's Pet Shop.
An Ugly's Pet Shop. You're going with an Ugly's Pet Shop, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So open it. Hold on, let me make you a tear strip of beans. You're good?
Oh, these are not Ugly's Pet Shop.
So are you changing your mind? You
Yeah.
have like
8 Shopkins season 4 crates.
yes.
Where are the tears?
Hold on, let me just open it. And then take the character out and peel. Okay. And I read so I can keep up.
Oh, this feels like comfy chair.
Okay. And she's guessing comfy chair. Yeah, she's correct. And the other. Okay, who do you think's inside?
This feels like a bottle. I think it's like prickles.
Prickles. Okay. Okay. You can take your blindfolds off. Jelly jam. But you still earn that point because you guessed the blind bag and one other Shopkin. Okay, my turn. Yay! Blindfolds on. Check. Pick the egg. Check. Open it up. Check. And guess what's inside? No. I don't know what's inside. Oh my goodness. Is this a Play-Doh can? Maybe. No, it's not a Play-Doh can. It's too small. So let me just open it up and maybe whatever's inside. Oh my, what? This is so gooey and slimy. Okay, I'm saying slime. So there it is. Let me put it back in. Whoops. Oh, what? Let me try that again. Do you hear that? Oh my god. Okay, changing. It's going noise putty. Yeah, I saw this at the store before. Oh my god, this is noise putty. Let me check. It is noise putty. Listen to this, guys. Watch. I love these. Ew. So funny.
Alright guys, so we opened all our Easter eggs and it was so much fun. Congratulations, Francesca, you won. Thanks, but you know what? Since we all had fun, then why don't we share together? Because you opened and guessed a lot of eggs too, and I did too, but I think I did a bit more. But we'll stir and we're gonna share it. And we're gonna share this.
Yeah, this looks so good. We never tasted these before, but I'm sure they're really good. It says Sour Bright Crawlers Minis. Wow! So it looks like these are little worms.
I hope they taste like cookies.
Yeah, it says they're sour. Now it's time to reveal our clue number 4 from our magic box. Yay! So here's our magic box. Let's twist this a little.
Our magic box is waiting, so we have to say the magic spell.
Yeah, say it with us, please.
Magic box, be so kind. Let us see what's inside. Ta-da!
Wow, clue number 4. It's written in red. Let's see.
Can I open it with you?
Hold on. You'll open the egg with me, okay? Okay, it's yellow, her favorite color. Okay, so here it is, and it says, I'll just show it to you. If you know how to read, I'll give you a few seconds to read it yourself. Okay. So if you don't know how to read, don't worry, I'll read it. One of us is a police officer, and the other is a comb man. Okay.
I wanted to say the comb man.
You know how to read? Kind of, yeah. Yeah, she knows how to read a little words, but not that much. Okay, so there it is. This is our clue number 4. If you ever forget it, just write it on a piece of paper, put it somewhere where you won't forget, and watch our 3 previous videos so you have like more clues to help you connect all our clues together and find out who or what we're talking about. And if you think you know who or what we're talking about, just write it down in our comment section and you'll have a chance of winning some prizes from our spring giveaway.
Wait, Francesca. I only know how to read one. I sneak in rooms where you're reading and listen.
So when I'm reading books, she listens. Oh, and watches the words?
And then I know how to read.
Okay, that's funny. Okay, alright guys, so that's all for today. We hope you enjoyed our Easter video. It was so much fun. With our 2 giant Easter baskets, it was so much fun to challenge. Oh my goodness. And you can do this at home if you get blind bags and eggs and giant Easter basket. It doesn't really have to have giant Easter basket, but we just
Yay! Yay!
Okay, and please let us know in the comment section your favorite character and the favorite part of this, because I have a lot, like, mostly the whole video was my favorite because it was so cool.
Maybe my favorite part is when we're gonna eat this egg.
And my favorite part was when I got some parts wrong. That was funny. And when I called like the owl bunny, it was like fun. Okay.
So, was great